Ayan, for today's video ay magmumukbang tayo. Mukbang. For today's video ay samahan niyo akong kumain. Itong aking food, rice na may broccoli at saka fish head. Yung fish head ay ito, pinaksiw ko lang siya. So hindi niyo siya makikita dahil nga baka matapon yung sabaw. Halina kayo guys, samahan niyo akong kumain. Come and join me to have, to eat, to have and to eat. Come and join me to eat. Allah, yung damit ko. Yung damit ko is ano, my clothes is worn out. What? Worn out? Broken. My clothes is broken. Look at that. Kain tayo guys. Let's eat. Sarap. It's yummy fish head. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please follow, like, and share. Have a good day. Bye.